Happy Halloween, everyone. Oh my goodness, it's so much fun this time of year. I love Halloween, and I have 5 spooky, creepy recipes for you today. And these recipes, they're great. They're so much fun to make with kids. They're perfect for any Halloween party. So I'm excited to share these recipes with you. But we've got to get started because it's time to cook. To make this toxic mac and cheese, you will need a box of mac and cheese, and just use your favorite. And then you'll need some spinach. Now this is 2 cups of fresh, but you could use frozen, and then green food coloring. I think that these mummy dogs are absolutely adorable. To make them, all you'll need is a package of hot dogs and then a can of crescent rolls. And then you'll need some candied eyeballs. Just roll out your crescent rolls and then pinch together the seams. And then I'm taking a pizza cutter and I'm just cutting the crescent roll into strips. And I'm taking the hot dog and patting it dry with a paper towel. This just helps that crescent roll to stick to the hot dog. And then just wrap the strips around the hot dog so it looks like a mummy. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes in a 400-degree oven. And I'm using a little dollop of mustard to be the glue for the eyeballs. For this spooky pizza, I am taking some sliced fresh mozzarella and adding it to a frozen cheese pizza. And then I'm going to add a slice of olive to my fresh mozzarella slice. Kind of looks like an eyeball. Then I've got some red bell peppers, and these are going to be my lips. And then I've cut the pepper to the shape of a tongue. And then I'm going to take some olives and make some spiders. And I'm going to cut my pepperoni. I don't really know what this is supposed to look like, but I thought it looked good. Then some slices of onion. And there you have it, spooky pizza. And these baked intestines would make a perfect spooky Halloween dinner. I am using my homemade Sloppy Joe for this, and I will give you the link to that video. And you will also need some puff pastry, and you can find this in the freezer section. So I'm going to add some red velvet food coloring to my egg white wash. And oh my goodness, guys, this really does look like blood. It's kind of gross. You don't have to use this if you don't want to, but it definitely gives a good effect. And then bake in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, aren't these ghost pretzels the cutest? And all you will need is some mini twist pretzels and some white chocolate. I'm using almond bark white chocolate. Once it's melted, it'll equal about a cup. And then your candied eyeballs. Okay guys, well I hope that you enjoyed the spooky, creepy recipes today. Have a happy Halloween, God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.